What up, dog?
How you doing, dog?
Hey, dog.
Hey, dog. So you?
What happened to Weston Cage's trainer, man?
I think he should be. I think he should be arrested. For
Ass beat. Oh.
Arrested for assault. He's 40 years old, black belt. The kid's 20. Arrest that guy for assault. Absolutely.
Hey, dog. How does it feel to know that your son is your best bodyguard?
My son is?
Yes.
That makes me feel good.
He throws down, boy. He throws down.
Bail out Nicolas Cage and his
Oh,
son?
listen, we can't say that's private. But if they got in trouble, I would bail them out.
Hey, dog. Would you ever? Are you ever gonna get rid of your mullet?
Never. Bro.
Never. You gonna die with the mullet. Die with the mullet.
Dog, roll the window down. Let him pull out, let him pull out.
Beautiful as always.
Thank you.